My name is Vijay Kumar. I'm ordained minister of the Church of North India, Diocese of Amritsar. In 2011, I joined the Diocese of Amritsar and posted at the Christ Church Cathedral, Amritsar, which is the oldest church in the city. It was established way back in 1856, and we are worshipping till now in that congregation. Earlier, they used to think that preaching, conducting the worship, praying for people, selecting songs even, is only the work of the priest.
चर्च खाली था, चर्च में बहुत कम लोग आते थे। यहाँ तक भी मैंने देखा है कि चर्च में पूरी सर्विस अटेंड करके भी नहीं जाते थे। अब उस चर्च में, हमारे जो चर्च है उसमें बैठने की जगह भी नहीं होती।
I received people in my congregation. I received leaders in my congregation. Now I have a team of 15 who are helping me in the ministry.
जो पर वेडनेसडे को जब हमने अल्फ़ा कोर्स अटेंड करना, तो वहाँ पे फेलोशिप टाइम जो था उसमें हमने सब लोगों को जानना शुरू किया, सबसे बात होना शुरू हो गई और ऐसे कुछ फ्रेंड्स बन गए, कुछ रिलेटिव्स बन गए ऐसे, और इस तरह फेलोशिप टाइम बहुत अच्छा गया।
और पिछले 12 सालों से प्रभु यीशु मसीह को कबूल किया, लेकिन जब अल्फ़ा कोर्स किया तो ऐसा लगा कि मैं अभी भी आई हूँ, एक नयापन लगा मुझे।
चर्च में जाए ना तो बाइबल पढ़ते हैं जैसे, तो उसमें हमें इतना नहीं समझ में आता, बट जब हम अल्फ़ा कोर्स में बैठ के इसको सीखते हैं ना तो बड़ा डिटेल।
काफ़ी फ़ायदे हुए हैं अल्फ़ा कोर्स के दौरान, जैसे कि प्रेयर कर सबके बीच में ओपनली कहीं भी, जैसे कोई कहे कि प्रेयर करो हमारे लिए, तो प्रेयर कर सकता। पहले नहीं कर सकता, पहले शर्मा आ जाना कि नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकता।
Many are opened up. Even they were hesitating to pray for somebody. They were hesitate to read the Bible in the church. They were hesitate to come and stand before the mic. And now they are bold and they are encouraged. With confidence, they lead the worship.
So that was it was unique in a different way, where the participants had their questions, they could discuss them, they had time when they could listen and they could learn.
अल्फ़ा के कोर्स के द्वारा बहुत सारा हमारे चर्च का ग्रोथ देखा। 16 लोगों ने अन्य जाति में से प्रभु को ग्रहण करके इस अल्फ़ा कोर्स के द्वारा ही बैप्टिज्म लिया।
Secret is Alpha, definitely. You know, we were 100 and within 3 years we reached to 400 plus. And Alpha study course, we were 3 and we are moved to 50. And the secret behind it is like the fellowship, involvement of lay people, encouraging them to take part in the mission and ministry of the church. As I said before, that we felt there's a need of spiritual revival in the congregation. So the revitalization of spirituality took place in our congregation, and they are moving with the guidance of the Holy Spirit, and we are growing.